What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Salesforce account public. For that, the process is very simple and easy. For that, all you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is that you have to create a account in order to access the mobile application. So for that, go ahead and visit salesforce.com. This website, I will be providing a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So there are multiple versions of the plans for the Salesforce, and I'm gonna show you the one that is for free. So let me show you the products first, and then we're gonna create an account. So this is a Salesforce product pricing plans for small businesses for sales, services, marketing, commerce, Tableau, MuleSoft, Slack, Platform, Net Zero Industries, and Success. So how we're gonna see all the overview, for example, for the Lightning platform, the pricing will be different, and I'm gonna show you in a second how it goes. So here you guys can see that this is a platform starter. So build custom application that fuels sales, service, and marketing productivity. $25 monthly, billed annually. And for the platform plus, it's $100 per month, and it is also uh, billed monthly. So bill annually. So what you have to do is try for free. Simply go ahead and click on that, and therefore you will be able to create an account on the Salesforce. So in order to get the 30 day free trial, give your name, your job title, and then the working email, the company name, the employee, the phone number, and everything. So that way you will be able to create a Salesforce account. So this is how you guys can do it.